guys to another episode of Fidel's Outdoors. I know it's been a long time since my last video. I've been trying to stay busy, and as a matter of fact, I just came back from a trip from San Francisco, California on a 3-day fishing trip. It was really nice. I had a good time. I had a little setback. Our rental vehicle got broken into, and my backpack with all the electronics, the drone, the GoPro, all the footage, or most of the footage from the charter boat fishing, it was all stolen. So they took all my electronics, and it was kind of a setback, but lucky that I recorded some footage with my phone, but most of it, the ones that was in the GoPro, they're all gone. They were able to steal all my electronics and my drone, my GoPro. There was one thing they could not steal, and that was my love for God and my passion and love for fishing and hunting and the outdoors. So that was one thing they could not steal. With that said, all this stuff, other stuff could be replaced. Is just got to start back to the drawing board, one thing at a time. I'm glad to be back over here, back in Rhode Island, back home, and I'm going to be doing a short video walkthrough my kayak with all the stuff that I've done, modifications, add-on, and just everything from front to back of all the nice things I installed in the kayak. All right, so with that said, stick with me and let's get this done. All right, so this is the kayak with all the modification and add-ons that I install. I'm gonna just go all around from front to back, and then I'm gonna go and explain everything in detail. So to start, I put the one objective keel guard, and that came out really nice. And I got the navigation lights for night. That came out also nice. I put a lot of stickers and logos on the top hatch of the front, which it came out nice. I register the kayak, because in Rhode Island, if you put an electric motor in, you have to register it. And I put a lot of other decals. Came out really I'm like really excited. Got a cup holder there. I got my Garmin Echo Map UHD 73SV. I got my orange bait bucket there, my head flashlight, trolling motor. I also put the anchor trolley system, and I put like a backpack for the rear of the seat, which I got also online. And I got my remote to start all the electronics, the lights, fish finder, everything is controlled with that. I put some stabilizers, so when I'm out in the ocean, stabilizes everything nice. Got the fish finder transducer, and I got the black pack fully loaded. It's got the VHF radio, the air horn, it's got a flashlight. I got my Yak Attack control module switch attached to it, and that I put it with a Scotty swivel there, which I could just put on the track or put it anywhere. So I just put that temporarily there. I got my channel logo that I specifically made for my channel, and I put it on a plexiglass black plate, so I could just change different plates and put different sponsors, logos, and information in the future. Okay, I got my fishing rods. I got my the fish ruler stick there. I also did the Boondocks modification upgrade. I did the blade and I did also the top. This here is my strap to strap on the black pack, and just carry it out once I'm done fishing. I got my fishing net there. I got the flagpole. I mean, I got this bad boy loaded. I got my fishing knife there as well to cut the bait. I got the wiring harness for the battery. I had to put the battery, I did some modifications, so I had to install the battery in my backpack, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Alright, so let's open this here. So I got my battery there. I added a switch, a cutoff switch to shut off the motor, so when I'm not using it. And I got my leaders right there, the leader box where all the hooks and stuff, tube and worm, my anchor. I got my lights, so when I'm fishing at night, it lights up the backpack inside there. And I got my VHF radio. I got my whistles. Everything nice. Okay. And back over here we have the USB voltmeter and power supply. I also have the interior lights, button lights over here, and in the back as well, right there. I put other logos in it. Okay. And I got my GoPro camera holder. It's minus the GoPro because they stole it, so I gotta buy me another one. And I got my head flashlight. That works really nice. And also I have my foot propeller there for if I don't want to use the electric motor, then I can just use the dry propel. Okay, and there you have it. That's my whole complete setup. Completely done. Alright guys, so if you like this video, make sure you hit like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And like always, God bless you. And leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions or anything. And like always, God bless you, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.